Hi students. Today our topic is types of vectors. Different types of vectors are there. So few are here. One is like vectors or parallel vectors. Okay. So here considerable vectors are same physical quantity only. Same type of physical quantity. Okay. Same type of physical quantity vectors we consider here. For example, you consider displacement, only you consider displacement vectors. If in case you consider velocity, you consider only velocity vectors like that one. Okay. Comparison in between only like that means same type of physical quantities. Okay. So, like vectors are parallel vectors in the sense two or more vectors, same type of physical quantity are in same direction. Are in same direction. See, A and B are two vectors. Its direction along the positive x direction. Its direction is also along the positive x direction. Understood? Okay. So here magnitudes may or may not be equal. Sometimes magnitudes are equal means simply equal vectors. Okay. Equal vectors in the sense both equal in magnitude and also direction. Okay, for example, it is 8 units. This one is also 8 units. That means both vectors are equal. A bar equal to B bar. But here our topic is like vectors or parallel vectors. Like vectors or parallel vectors means, for example, A bar, it is 6 units. Okay, B bar, it is 5 units. See, both are same direction, but the units are different. Units are different. These two cases are like vectors or parallel vectors. This one is completely equal vectors. Completely equal vectors. Are understood? Okay. Simply like vectors or parallel vectors in the sense all are in same direction. Two or more vectors in same direction. Understood? Two or more vectors in same direction is nothing but here what one like vectors. Okay. Next, unlike vectors or anti-parallel vectors. Unlike, see, unlike A bar, okay, this is B bar. See, both are opposite in a direction. Both are opposite in a direction. Such type of vectors are nothing but unlike vectors. Understood? Okay. So, it is A bar, this one is B bar. For example, A bar direction this one. B bar direction is this one. Both are equal in magnitude. Both are equal in magnitude. Okay, but opposite in direction. That means you write as A bar is equal to minus B bar. So B bar is the negative vector of A bar. B bar is the negative vector of A bar. See, negative vector in the sense this one. Both are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Okay, that type of vectors are nothing but negative vectors. Okay, unlike vectors are anti-parallel vectors means so here not consider magnitude. Okay, magnitude is different but opposite in a direction. But opposite in a direction. Understood? Okay. Like vectors, unlike negative is over. Next, co-initial vectors. Co-initial vectors. That means two or more vectors are having same initial point. A bar, B bar, C bar. See, all are having same initial point. Such type of vectors are nothing but co-initial vectors. If in case all are having same terminal point, all are having same terminal point, what is one? Co-terminal vector. Co-terminal vector. Understood? Co-initial vector. This one is co-terminal vector. Understood? Okay. Next, collinear vectors. Collinear. That means two or more vectors are having same line. Okay. So two or more vectors are lies in a same line. Okay, see a bar. Okay, now b bar. See, these two are in same line. These two are in a same line. Such type of vectors are nothing but collinear vectors. Okay, such type of vectors are nothing but collinear vectors. Okay, next coplanar vectors. Coplanar, you know already. So this one x y z, it is xy plane, this is yz plane, this is zx plane. See number of vectors, okay, more than 3. Okay, more than 3. It is a bar, b bar, c bar, d bar, e bar, f bar. See, in xy plane, vectors are a bar comma b bar comma c bar. Minimum 3 vectors are required. Same plane. If in case number of vectors are lies in one plane, so that type of vectors are nothing but coplanar vectors. That type of vectors are nothing but coplanar. Coplanar means so all are having same plane. Okay, all are having same plane. Okay, next free vectors. Before going to discussion of free vectors, what is fixed vector? First of all, what is fixed vector? So initial point of the vector is fixed. If in case initial point of the vector is fixed, that is fixed vector. But here required one is free vectors. In this case, in free vectors, initial point and final point are changes. Points are changes. Initial point and final points are changes means, so terminal points. Okay, initial point and terminal points all are changes. For example, in circular motion, consider velocity, here change, here change, here change, here change. Velocity is direction and magnitude are changes. Okay, sorry, velocity, initial point and terminal points are changes. Here initial point is this one, terminal point is this one. Here initial point, terminal point. That type of vectors are nothing but free vectors. That type of vectors are nothing but free vectors. Like, unlike, negative, coinitial vectors, collinear vectors, coplanar vectors, free vectors. Okay, these are the vectors. Okay. Next one, null vector or zero vector. So a vector magnitude is equal to 0. Okay, if a vector magnitude is equal to 0, that type of vector is nothing but null vector or zero vector. It is represented with 0 bar. 0 bar. Okay, its direction is indeterminate. Its direction is indeterminate. Its direction is indetermined. Understood? Its direction is indetermined. Okay, its direction is indetermined. Why its direction is indetermined? First of all, example for this one, velocity of a rest particle. Okay, velocity of a rest particle. So rest particle velocity means 0. So simply that is 0 vector, because of, in this case, initial point and final point are coincide. Initial point and final points are coincide. Okay, initial point and final points are coincide. That's why its direction is indeterminate. indeterminate. Understood? So null vector or zero vector means it's a that vector magnitude is equal to 0. Okay, that vector magnitude is 0. Its direction is indeterminate. Understood? Okay. So next one, unit vector. So a vector whose magnitude is equal to 1. Okay, a vector magnitude is equal to 1. That type of vectors are unit vectors. Its main purpose is to specify the direction of a vector. Its main purpose is to specify the direction of a vector. Okay, see a vector whose magnitude is equal to 1 and is used to specify convenient direction is called as unit vector. Okay, it has no units and dimensions. It has no units and dimensions. Okay, it has no units and dimensions. Its main purpose is to specify the direction. See, it represented with cap. For example, a bar is a non-zero vector. A bar is a non-zero vector. Okay, a bar is a non-zero vector. Unit vector along the a bar. Unit vector of this one represented with a cap. A cap. Okay. Bar means it is a vector. A cap means cap represents the unit vector. Okay. It's defined as vector by its magnitude. Vector by its magnitude gives the unit vector. Vector by its magnitude. Okay. For example, a bar is a vector, non-zero vector. You want unit vector of a bar. Okay. A cap is equal to vector of a bar by magnitude of a bar. Magnitude of a bar. Understood? Okay. So, by using of unit vector, okay, how to represent the Cartesian coordinate system? How to represent the Cartesian coordinate system? Cartesian coordinate system. You know, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Okay, x-axis, positive x-axis, I cap, y-axis, j cap, z-axis, k cap. Positive x-axis, I cap, positive y-axis, j cap, positive z-axis, k cap. Okay, these are the unit vectors. Okay, in Cartesian coordinate system, x-axis represented with one unit vector, that is I cap, y-axis represented with one unit vector, that is j cap, z-axis represented with one unit vector, that is k cap. Magnitude of all these vectors is equal to 1. Okay, is equal to 1. Understood? Next, position vector. Position vector. Position vector. The position of a point is represented with vector. Okay, the position of a point is represented with a vector reference to origin. Okay, for example, it is a point P. Okay, its coordinates 2 comma 3. Its coordinates 2 comma 3. Okay, it is origin. Okay, so how to represent its position vector? This one. Here OP bar represents the position vector. Okay, position vector. Understood? It is write as C2 along x-axis. Okay, Y along z-axis. That means 2 units. Along x-axis you write as 2 I cap. Along y-axis you write as 3 j cap. So position vector is equal to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap. 2 I cap plus 3 j cap. Understood? OP bar is equal to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap. Okay. For example, here this one particle is here x, y, z. P. Here OP bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. It is a position vector. Position vector in the sense the position of the point is represented by a vector with reference to a origin. With reference to a origin. Okay. Like this one. Okay. Next, it is a vector. How to find out the magnitude of the vector? How to find the magnitude of the vector? Now, magnitude of the vector. Magnitude of the vector. Okay. For example, A bar is one of the vector. It will write as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Understood? Magnitude in the sense mod of A bar. A is equal to square root of in bracket x square plus y square plus z square. It is the magnitude. For example, A bar is given 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. Understood? Mod of A bar is equal to square root of, see, in bracket 2. It is positive 2 whole square. Don't take in negative here. Take in positive minus 1. Simply minus j cap means in front of this one is 1 is there. Okay. Minus 1 whole square plus in bracket 2 whole square. See, here minus or positive. Don't take in that one. Okay. Always here plus. In bracket you are taken. In bracket minus 1 whole square. Understood? Square root of 2 square means 4 plus minus 1 whole square means plus 1. 4 square root of square root of 4 plus 1 plus 1 4 9. So 3 units. 3 units like that one. Understood? Okay. Next. Magnitude of the vector is over. Now, if A bar is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap. Okay. Find the unit vector of A bar. Okay. Find the unit vector of A bar along its own direction. Along its own direction. You know, unit vector A cap is equal to formula A bar by mod of A bar. Mod of A bar means magnitude. Okay. Magnitude. Mod of A bar is equal to magnitude. How to find out the magnitude? First of all, in bracket 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. Square root of 4 plus 9 plus 36. Square root of 4 plus 36, 40 plus 9, 49. It is equal to 7 units. Is equal to 7 units. Understood? A cap is equal to, so A bar means 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap is by 7. Simply write as 2 by 7 I cap plus 3 by 7 j cap plus 6 by 7 k cap. 2 by 7 I cap plus 3 by 7 j cap plus 6 by 7 k cap. Understood? Okay. So what is the magnitude of unit vector? Magnitude of unit vector is 1. Once again, once verify this one. See, A cap magnitude is equal to square root of, what is the first one? 2 by 7 whole square plus, What is the second one? 3 by 7 whole square. Next one, 6 by 7 whole square. Square root of here 4 by 49 plus 9 by 49 plus 36 by 49. What is the LCM here? So 49. Okay. 4 plus 9 plus 36. Okay. Square root of 49 by 49 is equal to 1. So magnitude of unit vector is 1. So this one is correct. Understood? Okay. So unit vector main purpose is to represent the direction of the vector. It has no units and dimensions. Its magnitude is always 1 and its form is this one. Understood? Okay.